Life has several levels of organization. All organisms are part of an ecosystem. A biological community is the collection of organisms in an ecosystem. The next level of organization is the individual organism. The bodies of complex organisms are organized into organ systems, which are collections of organs. Organs are made of tissues, which are collections of specialized cells. The cell is the simplest unit of biological organization. Robert Hooke, a British scientist and inventor, coined the term cell. Hooke's contribution to biology was the primitive microscope he built in 1662. He used a mirror to reflect candlelight onto an object. The image of the object traveled through lenses inside a metal tube, revealing a magnified image of the object when viewed through the end of the tube. One of the objects Hooke looked at was a thin slice of cork. The compartments in the cork reminded Hooke of the cells occupied by monks. Before long, other scientists improved on Hooke's microscope. One of these scientists was Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Leeuwenhoek used his microscope to look at samples of pond water. He was probably the first person ever to actually. Over the past 3 centuries, scientists have continued to improve on the design and quality of microscopes for viewing smaller and smaller objects more clearly. Microscopes like those invented by Hooke and Leeuwenhoek are called light microscopes because they use light to create an image. Modern light microscopes let us see things as small as 0.2 micrometer. A sample is placed on a microscope slide, which is placed on the stage. Light from beneath the stage passes through the sample and into the lens.